Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have this 2014, it's a Chrysler Town Country, and the customer came because he said when he puts the car in reverse the camera doesn't turn on. So just to give you an example that it doesn't turn on, I'm gonna put it in reverse and there you go, it's black. So I already tested the camera. This is usually the camera that goes bad. I bought a new one. This is a new camera, as you can see. This is the connector. And you have to remove this whole thing, all of this. The camera mounts right here in this thing, and it goes all the way to this hole right here. So I have the camera outside, and it's gonna be this one. As you can see, this is the camera, and the way to remove it is you have to remove the cover first. It has 4 bolts, one here, one over here, and 2 here. And the only thing you have to do is just pull really hard, because it has these clips on it. So once you pull really hard, it's gonna come out. And to remove this cover right here, you have to remove 1, 2, it's gonna be 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. You have to remove all the tins that hold those plastics, and those are gonna be here and on the side outside, one over here and one right there. And the other clips are gonna be one here. Those are number 10s, those are 10s too, and one over here too, and another right here, and the last one over here. So once you remove those bolts, you have to pull the cover out. As you can see, this is the cover. You have to pull it out because it has clips right here, and those clips are those are really hard to remove. So yeah, those are difficult. So just to give you an example that this camera works, I'm gonna plug it in like that, and now we're gonna test it and see if it's gonna work. So we open the switch and we see, put it in reverse, and we have video. So as you can see, it's working now, and that's pretty much what's causing the issue on this. It's not the radio. There's only one thing you have to check: power and ground, and those things are good on the camera. So the camera is gonna be the issue. The best thing is just replace it for a new one. I'll leave the link in the description where you can get a new camera for this pretty cheap, instead of buying it to a dealership, because that one's like 400 plus taxes, and it's a lot of money. Okay, so once you get the camera, you have to remove the extra connection on here, because these are gonna be the power and ground for the license plate lights. So you have to remove this, and the way to remove it, let me just put it back again to show you how you can remove it. Okay, so it plugs like that, and to remove it you just have to pull it out like this and pull really hard. And the same goes to the other one, the new one. You have to do the same procedure like that, and just pull really hard. And as you can see, this one is missing 2 holes, and this one has the other 2, so we have to remove those 2 holes and put it right here, and especially with this weather cover. So I'll take this first, and I'm gonna use a special tool. I'm gonna use a clip like this, and you have to reach in and try to get it out. Okay, there you go. You can see one is out, And now I'm gonna remove the other one. There we go. All right, so both are out like this, and I'm just gonna use this as reference to put the right ones on the right order. Or what you can do, since this is not good anymore, you can just cut it. I'm gonna cut it from right here. So it's cut, that one's out. And now I'm gonna remove the camera, which is right here. I'm gonna use some Torx on it. Alright, you can see it's these are the bolts. You're gonna need a Torx 20. Alright, so it's in, and now what I have to do is put back this. So remember, it's gonna be like this. Okay, so as you can see, I already cut some pieces, just trying to get it through because I gotta use the seal. So I just cut a little bit on the side, as you can see, just a little bit over here. A little bit of insulation like this, because we want to use this one over here, and actually it's from the other side. It needs to go like this, because this is the weather seal. Okay, so next step, gotta put this back. And these are the cables that go here. Remember, the black with white goes on the other side. Okay, like that. Then this one, like this. Right? And we have this one. Okay, so it's time to see the results of the camera. So I'm gonna open the switch and let's see what's gonna happen. All right, so looks like this fix is successful, guys. So the camera is working good, so it's good. So this is how you fix, guys, the camera not working on this 2014 Chrysler Town Country. And if you have any comments down below. I'll leave the link in the description where I got the camera for a really good price. And I hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit the notifications button, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, bye guys.